Our lives have come more convenient and enriched as we discovered energy and utilized energy. Now, the new way of energy transition will make the Earth cleaner and safer for our future generations. The first step of energy transition for the top priority on environment begins with safe radioactive waste management. CORAD, with safety and trust from the public. Korea Radioactive Waste Agency. Construction of low and intermediate level radioactive waste facility. The government has long strived to establish a facility to safely dispose radioactive wastes in Korea. In 2005, the site of the radioactive waste disposal facility in Gyeongju was selected. In 2008, the Radioactive Waste Management Act to safely manage radioactive wastes was enacted. In 2009, the Korea Radioactive Waste Agency was established as a designated organization to manage radioactive wastes. In 2015, CORAD finally completed to build the low and intermediate level radioactive waste disposal facility to dispose radioactive wastes. The first phase of construction in the disposal facility is an underground silo type for the capacity of 100,000 drums in operation. The second phase is a near-surface disposal type for the capacity of 125,000 drums under construction. Generation and acceptance of low and intermediate level radioactive wastes. Low and intermediate level wastes are contaminated work clothes, spare parts, tools, medical instruments, and others from nuclear power plants, industries, and hospitals. The preliminary inspection at the place of waste produced is implemented before transportation to the disposal facility, whether the wastes are acceptable. Inspected wastes in a transport container, which is built only for radioactive wastes, are transported to a designated ship, Chungjeong-nuri. The double-hulled ship is built with radiation shielding structure for marine transport of radioactive wastes and installed with advanced equipment including automatic balancing device and GPS for safe navigation in the marine routes. In addition, the ship transports radioactive wastes in a verified route after safe pilot operation. The radioactive wastes in the ship are transported to the wharf at the Walsung Nuclear Power Plant near the radioactive waste disposal facility and are moved to the receipt and storage building at the facility by the transportation vehicles. The acceptance inspection includes full and sample inspection with 7 steps. The 7 steps are a weight inspection, a visual inspection, a surface radiation dose rate measurement, an X-ray inspection, a surface contamination inspection, nuclide analysis, and a compression strength inspection. These steps are to make the wastes rechecked whether the wastes are appropriate for disposal. Radioactive wastes identified as suitable for disposal through these acceptance tests are placed in a disposal container and transferred to a disposal facility. Disposal of low and intermediate level radioactive wastes. The underground disposal facility currently in operation consists of a construction tunnel for construction purposes, operation tunnel for waste transport, and silos for radioactive waste disposal. 6 silos for final waste disposal are located 130 meters below the sea level. The structure of silos is cylindrical concrete with 16,000 drum capacity in each silo. Once the silos are filled with radioactive wastes, the filled silos are closed. First, the lower connection of a silo is covered with concrete and backfilled with crushed rocks into the silo. Then, the upper connection in the silo is covered with concrete. The underground disposal facility with multi-barriers is designed to resist 6.5 Richter scale. The wastes in the facility isolated from the human life zones are spontaneously returned to the nature. The near-surface disposal facility currently under construction, which is to be completed by 2020, is designed to resist 7.0 Richter scale with performance improvement of seismic resistance. Once this near-surface disposal facility is completed, the facility will be the world's first complex repository with underground and near-surface disposal facility at the same site. In addition, the disposal facility is open to the public as it consists of the Visitor Center, Coradium, and Chungjun Park, which is a park and a theme of science, history, and beautiful nature. The park provides a resting place to residents and visitors. The Korea Radioactive Waste Agency will make the radioactive waste disposal facility that the citizens feel safe through transparent operation and active communication. The nature we are enjoying now is only borrowed from the future generation. We should not leave irrecoverable footprints. Energy transition to make cleaner and safer future. We will make clean Korea by taking a step ahead. Happy tomorrow, beyond safety. Korea Radioactive Waste Agency.